How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Sound and Vibration. And make sure Media Volume is turned on. Make sure it's not 0. After you do this, go back and go to Bluetooth and device connection. And make sure your Bluetooth is not connected to any devices, as the sound may go from the devices. Another thing which you can also do is click on Apps and Notifications. Here, click on App Info at the top. Scroll down till you find WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, click on it. Then click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After you do this, you can simply open your WhatsApp status and try checking the sound, and it will be fixed. This is how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.